Hey future homeowners, are you ready to make the first move into buying your first home in Arizona? The process may seem overwhelming, but don't worry, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the entire journey. Let's make this dream a reality together. Hi there, I'm Brianna, your trusted Arizona real estate expert. If you're watching this, chances are you're ready to take the next leap into homeownership here in Arizona. And I'm so excited to help guide you through the process. Buying your first home can feel like a roller coaster of emotions, from excitement to confusion and everything in between. But don't worry, I'm here to make it simple and stress-free for you. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about buying a home in Arizona, from getting your finances in order to closing the deal. And by the end of it, you'll feel ready to start your journey with confidence. So go grab a notebook and let's dive in. Before you even start browsing homes, you need to get a clear picture of your financial situation. This is the foundation of your home buying process. So let's start with the basics. Lenders use your credit score to determine your eligibility for a mortgage and the interest rate that you'll receive. Aim for a score of 620 or higher for conventional loans, but don't worry, if it's lower, there are still options available for you like FHA loans with a 580 credit score. Your debt to income ratio is the percentage of your monthly income that goes towards paying off debts. Lenders prefer a DTI ratio of 43% or lower. This includes your mortgage, car loans, student loans, and credit cards. The down payment is typically 3 to 20% of the home price. But here's the good news. Arizona offers programs like Arizona Home Plus program and Pathway to Purchase that can help first-time home buyers with down payment assistance. Don't forget to factor in closing costs too, which can range from 2 to 5% of the loan amount. Pro tip, start saving for your down payment in a separate savings account. It'll make you feel more confident knowing that you're on track. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, it's time to get pre-approved for a mortgage. This is the crucial step that sets the tone for your home search. Pre-approval is a letter from the lender that shows how much they're willing to lend you based on your financial situation. This tells sellers that you're serious and capable of securing financing. Don't just settle for the first lender that you find. Shop around to compare interest rates, terms, and fees. A good lender will not only help you secure financing, but will also guide you through the process and answer any questions that you have. There are many types of loans, including conventional, FHA, VA, and USDA loans. Based on your financial situation, I can help you decide which one is right for you. Now comes the fun part, searching for your dream home. But before you dive in, let's talk about how to narrow down your options. Based on your pre-approval letter from your lender, you'll know how much you can afford. But remember, just because you're approved for a certain amount doesn't mean that you have to spend that much. Think about your long-term goals and how much you're comfortable paying monthly. Arizona has a wide range of neighborhoods, from city living in Phoenix and Scottsdale to quieter suburban areas like Gilbert, Peoria, Goodyear, Buckeye, and Chandler. If schools are important for you, you want to make sure we check that out. And if you prefer urban over rural areas, we have to look into that too. I can also help you find the best areas that align with your lifestyle. Think about what you absolutely need in a home. Is it a big backyard, a home office? Be clear on your must-haves so that you can make the best decision when you find the right home. Exclusive tip, as your agent, I have access to off-market listings and homes that aren't on the market. This gives you an edge in a competitive market. You found the home of your dreams, and now it's time to make an offer. But how do you know what to offer? Before making an offer, I'll help you compare similar homes in that area. Make sure your offer includes contingencies such as home inspection and financing. This will protect you if something goes wrong, like issues with the home or trouble securing the loan. The offer you make may not be the final price, but don't worry, I'll negotiate on your behalf to get you the best deal possible. Whether that's negotiating the price, the repairs, or the closing costs, I'll be on your side. Once your offer is accepted, next steps are the home inspection and the appraisal. This is your opportunity to check for any hidden issues with the home. I'll help you find a reputable inspector and review the results together. If repairs are needed, we can negotiate that with the seller. Your lender will order an appraisal to ensure that the home's value aligns with the loan amount. If the home appraises for less than the purchase price, we may need to renegotiate or come up with additional funds. You've made it to the final step, closing day. This is when you officially become a homeowner. Before signing the paperwork, we'll do a final walkthrough of the property to ensure everything is in the same condition as it was when you last saw it. And this is where the magic happens. You'll sign your mortgage, your legal documents, and the transfer of ownership papers. Once everything is signed, the keys are yours. It's time to celebrate this huge milestone in your life. And that's it, your complete step-by-step guide to buying your first home in Arizona. This process may seem like a lot, but with the right preparation and a trusted real estate agent like me by your side, it's going to be a smooth ride. Now, I know this journey can feel overwhelming, but I'm here to make it as easy as possible for you. If you're ready to take the next step in your home buying journey, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'll be with you every step of the way to answer your questions, provide expert advice, and help you find the perfect home for you and your family. Text me READY with your name to get started, or give me a call and let's turn your dream of homeownership in Arizona into a reality.